Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Panasonic TV with a model number TC-40, 49, or 55 DX650. I'll put those model numbers in the description. And you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you can do the reset either via the setup menu or via the actual physical buttons, like if it's not responding or something. And that brings me to the two reasons that you might want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If your TV is not responding or not working or not connecting or there's not making sound, anything like that, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. The second reason is if you just want to get this TV set back up, like it's a new TV coming out of the box, we can wipe everything off of it in one fell swoop. So if you want to do it via the menu, if you have access to it on the screen, you're just going to press the menu button on the remote and then navigate through the menu. Go to Setup, then System, then Factory Default, and then confirm with a yes. Simple as that. Setup, System, Factory Default, confirm with yes. But if that's not working, we can do this via the physical buttons. The TV does need to be on, and we're just going to come to the actual TV and find the volume down button on the TV, and then we're going to find the menu button on the remote, which is just below the power button on the left side, and we're going to press and hold simultaneously the volume down button on the TV and the menu button on the remote for more than 5 seconds. So after those more than 5 seconds have passed, we can go ahead and just unplug the TV and then release the buttons. Wait a few seconds, plug the TV back on, and turn it back on, and it will turn on into its factory default settings.